Good afternoon everyone, I am Shaunak Mojumdar representing the House of Mercury. Today I am going to speak on the topic that a hero by accident. Not always the heroes are found on the screen, on the television or on the film screens. There are heroes from the day-to-day ordinary businesses of life. People are always a kind of hero. They inspire us, they guide us, that's also a heroic trait. A normal person may keep the lift waiting for you till you get in. That's also a heroic deed. Once my little brother asked me that what does hero exactly mean? I really had no reason, no proper answer to give him. But after an incident in my life, I really got a good answer to give him. Some of my friends decided that on some holidays they will visit an orphanage and help the underprivileged children of that orphanage. At first I was ridiculed at the idea. I thought that why to waste my Sunday, my holiday on those children. I should rather watch TV, have some popcorn, watch some film, or rather stay on my phone. But then I was forced, they forced me to go there. At first I was amazed when I saw some children younger than my brother were playing around without proper ball, proper bat. They were so much undernourished. When I talked with them, had a conversation with them, I got to know that they are not even properly educated. They are not offered proper food, proper clothing. At first, I was really taken aback by this thought that there are so many people in our country who do not get proper education. I thought education is the primary need of everyone. It's a fundamental right. Then our friends decided that we will come twice a week to give them proper education. We will try to make them properly educated because they are the base of the nation. They will make our nation bright. They are the one who will help India to be among the world's top nations. Then slowly when we got to know them, we got to know that they are not given proper clothing also. We managed to get some funds from all our schoolmates and we bought them some proper clothes. We had a talk with their manager, with the head in charge of that orphanage, and made sure that they are given proper food, proper proteinaceous food for their betterment, for their proper growth. Hence, I would say that heroes are not always found on screen. There are people who can do something little to others, offer selfless love, selfless help, and become a hero in life.